Morning time. Good morning. Day 2 ng aming camping.
Morning, Jonty.
Morning. Tulog pa silang lahat. So kami na lang, kami daw wala pa ni Jonty. Gising na. So lumabas kami tapos naglaro kami. Konti ng... That's okay. Want help? Come here. Come over here. Naglaro kami konti ng ping pong ball. Tapos ngayon, puntahan namin yung owl. Kasi may owl sila dito. So, tingnan natin.
Hold my hand.
You say good morning, John.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're going to the owl. Oh, where are they now? Oh, look at them boys. Too big. That's real owl. Hello. Oh my goodness. Parang galit si ating. Babae ata ito, tas ito naman lalaki. Tingnan mo naman ang tingin sa akin, day. There's one more. There are 3 of them, though. Hello. Do it. Do it. Hala kayo dyan.
Siya naging confident na kahapon ayaw mo na yun. Nakatakot siya.
Laro kayo sila ni... Iwan ko nga sila.
Madi talaga, oh, as in, ano talaga siya, wala taga-wutya.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me.
Second day ng ating holiday. Hindi camping kasi uwi na kami mamaya. One night lang talaga yung camping namin. So for the day 2 ng aming holiday ay pupunta kami dito sa Holcomb Beach. So iba na naman ito na beach, bali 30 minutes away siya doon sa beach na pinuntahan namin. Wala lang, gusto lang namin dito kasi wala naman kaming trabaho, wala kaming magawa sa bahay, walang klase yung mga bata. So tapos dito pag summer kasi mahaba ang araw. So ang alas 11 pa nagdidilim kaya punta na lang muna dito.
We go there because he's following us. We go there.
For someone to park the car. Grabe, dami na. That one labo, there's one space over there.
Yeah, there's some spaces.
Oh, that one, you just pass. We are here now. Dito na kami sa Holcomb. That's Daddy. Ganda. Ganda. Meron pa silang pa-bridge doon, no? Doon banda. So.
Video ka, babe.
Kaya nga. La 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 la. Ayan, may malaking puno. Ganda time. Where is it? The lookout. Enjoy a bite to eat for your eyes. They have restaurant over there. So they have like this Holcomb. Yes. So dito tayo sa Holcomb Beach punta. Wow. Go follow Kuya Jack. Yes. Wow, so nice. On the left side. Go, 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 go. Follow Daddy. Yes. Ay, ng aking anak daw. Yan. Really nice. Look at the woods, my love. Really nice.
Did you?
Ang ganda ng ano niya, oh.
Mommy, you ever been here?
No, it's my first time.
Me,
Wow.
my first time.
Really nice. Do you like here?
Yeah.
Yes, I do like it too. Very, very nice. Where's the beach? It's too far. I thought that is the beach already. I love it. Still too far. Now you can run around with Kuya Jack. Yeah, because Kuya Jack alone there. Need to hold this. Jack! Hold on this hand, Jack. Go. Go with the Kuya Jack. Okay, now you can run around over there.
We got lots of followers.
Where are we going? Okay. Wow.
Yeah, I'll go.
Jack, wait. Really nice. Hey, Daddy. I thought this is the beach already. No, it was just like low tide. I thought. Nice here. So akala ko ito na yung beach na low tide lang ba? Pero ayun pa pala. Yun pa nga. Kita mo doon.
I'm tired to get.
So, meron silang mga
What? Wait, Sam. Mommy.
ah,
Wait, Sam.
yeah. So, doon pa. Almost there na. Sila naman nandun pa. Paano? Are you okay?
Yeah, the water's wet. No, the sand is wet.
Really nice. Whoa. This is a sandy beach. I like it. White sand. Ayan. Doon sila. Ang bagal ng mga kasabay ko, Day. Wala kayo dyan, Day. Ang babagal nyo, Day. Bilis! So, sorry na po ng isa na. Tired na po, Doy. Here na! Finally, nasa dagat na. After so long walk. Pero mas maganda dito kasi parang mga bata. Dito na lang siya parang may ilog-ilog ba. Yeah, you can. Here. Yeah, you can. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayun na sila. Dito na lang tayo. Ready na, ma-enjoy mo na kami. Pamaya na, kita kids. Ito, dito lang kami nag-ano pare. Dito lang kami nagpumesto kasi mas maganda ito sa mga bata. Isa doon kasi parang mabalud ba? So dito lang kami kahit parang may river siya pupunta doon. So it's good for the kids na kaya hanggang ano lang ito. Hanggang talampakan siguro. Oh, ayan. So ito na nga, dito na kami. Ending, wala pa may naligo kasi mainit siya pero malamig. Kaya yung mga bata ilamig tuloy kasi sobrang tingnan mo yung mga bata nanginginig na sa lamig. Hindi ko nadala yung jacket dito kasi syempre mainit. Tapos hindi ako nag-expect na malamig ba kasi mainit. Si Jonte, yan, yung jacket ko yung yan, yung gamit niya. Tapos watching siya kay daddy. Yun na si Jamie, be. Si Jamie na, yun na.
Warm kasi yung water dyan.
Warm.
Very warm water. It's hotter than here.
Don't it's warm here.
It's because it's short. It's a very warm.
Oh, yeah.
It's warm water here kasi kunti lang yung tubig tapos mainit nga. Yeah. Good. Pagod na ang mga kanilang worker. Tatlong matatanda dito. tatlong matatandang nilalamig. Hey, you work, my love. There's no rest for you. Sige.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free.
What is that, Daddy? Lake in your lake, lake. Lay in your lake, lake.
Then there is a tunnel over there. And there's a bag of water. Whoa! Going on the tunnel. Whoa! But it's not enough water. Needs more.
When are we gonna go? Wait, wait.
Yeah, we're going there later, but we need to. Yeah. Oh. Doon banda sa last bit.
Wait, you can put 2 seconds. Oh,
Beto ba yung bag oh? Tapos anuhin lang ba? Ano? Oh. Water, wow! Ay! Ay! Tama!
No, 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 no.
Tatawid tayo ng dagat. This one is warm. Daddy still have the kite. Lalamig na kiday.
Sige, nagkasunis lang po.
Ha?
Eh, si Jackie, assist ko man, mag-swimming daw siya.
Oh, si Donte ayaw eh. Pero pag magsinig si Donte mas...
More?
Okay.
Daddy, that's not
What do you think?
Just here.
So, dito lang kami sa amin. Nagpaiwan ako guys. Nandoon sila, Maksa. Naligo sila. Happy. Nagpaiwan ako kasi. Nilalamig ko ako guys. Tapos itong si Donte ayaw niya maligo. Bakay nilalamig ito ganit siya. So, ayaw niya talaga magpapilit. Kaya nung pilit ni daddy niya, ayaw niya talaga dahil. Dito na lang kami. Yan. So, drawing na lang. Tada! Ayan doon sila. Ayan. Ayan. Napilit ko na si Dionte. Ayan na sila. Papa din po. So, magsi 6 p.m. na. Uuwi na kami. Naghiwalay na kami ng kaibigan ko kasi syempre, ba naman kami ng bahay, malamang. So, uwi na kami. Everybody is happy. As in, worth it yung travel namin. 2 hours away lang naman siya sa amin. So, hindi siya masyadong malayo. Pero, hindi ko in-expect ba na mas maganda pa ito yung napunta namin kaysa yung punta kami sa Cornwall. So, hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya maganda kasi hindi siya crowded ba. Kasi nung dati pumunta kasi kami ng 7 hours away. Yung 7 hours away from yung sa Cornwall. Maganda siya, kaya lang sobrang crowded niya. Tapos pebbles yung yung beach niya. So, mas gusto ko kasi sand kaysa beach, kaysa pebbles. Kaya yun na sila, Daddy. Okay. Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Salamat sa inyo. Sa susunod na naman, itatry ko mag-vlog ulit. Kasi namimiss ko na din mag-vlog ba. Kasi matagal na talaga na hindi ako nag-vlog. More on TikTok na talaga tayo. Tsaka Facebook. Pero yung vlog parang wala na kasi sobrang na-busy na din. Ayan. Pero ngayon, school na si Dionte full time. So, baka magbalik tayo ng vlog. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dionte.
Bye.
Bye-bye here. Bye-bye. Want to lie down there?
No. Papa.
Bye-bye. Yan na.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy, I'll come over here.
Oh, your slipper is dirty. Go to the